Meets or exceeds OEM specifications. Long life EPDM rubber compound. Proprietary rubber formulation for quiet operation. Synthetic tension members with balanced twist cord ensures neutral tracking when running. AutoCare Association recommends inspecting belts at 60,000 miles and replacing at 90,000 miles. Length 49.5 inch or 1,257 mm. Alternate part number 6 PK1257. Goodyear Belts has developed multi-V belts that meet or exceed OE requirements, ensuring long belt life and quiet operation. Restore your belt drive system's efficiency by installing a new Goodyear belt. Top reviews from the United States. High-quality belt. My Scion TC was overdue for a Serpentine belt. Figured since Goodyear makes a good quality tire, they can make a good quality belt. So far, it has held up to the Florida heat and there is no squealing of any kind.